Alright folks, today we're going to do a tutorial on how to run a race in NR2003 with more than 43 starters in the field. There is another video out there, another tutorial, but I think that it's missing a crucial step, and so this is the correct way to do it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your files here, go to Papyrus, NR2003, and then you're going to go to the tracks folder and pick out whichever track you're going to do. We'll use Daytona here. You're going to come down to the track file with the configuration settings, click on that and come in here. Come up here to max starters, and you're going to want to put this at, I believe it's actually 47 that you want to put it at. That's the maximum anyways, is 47. You can add 4 extra cars. And what you're going to want to do is go down, scroll all the way down to here where it says stalls. And you're going to want to add in 4 stalls here at the bottom. It should go all the way up to 42 as the default. You're going to want to put in these 4 rows. And for these figures over here to the right, you just kind of estimate based on the pattern above. So this one, you can see it's, increasing by 0.02 of a point, and so I've just continued that pattern down here. Just look at what it is above and sort of just continue the pattern for these last 4. You're going to want to do that here under regular stalls. You got to come down here to the starting grid and do the same thing over here. See 4 more rows. You go here to starting grid 1, do the same thing here with these 4 rows. These stalls down here will only say 46 because there is a 0th stall up here. So really there's 47 even though it reads as 46. So you've got, like I said, you edit this up here, 47, and then you add in these 4 rows of text on each of the 3 starting grids. And so once you get that done, you want to make sure that you save the file, and then you can exit out, and then you go into NR2003. Make sure in your opponent manager that you've got, see, I've only got 43 cars selected. We want to go in here and make sure that we've got more than that selected. Alright, so we picked a bunch more, and now we're up to 50 cars here. So we're going to go back out, go to single race, make sure the AI number is set to the maximum here at 42, click continue. Now if you come here to entries, let all the entries load.
Drivers, to your cars.
So you've got all the entries loaded. Now back out. So then come back in under continue right away, immediately.
Drivers, to your cars.
And as you see, you get these red names that pop up. Now it's kind of a random amount that get put in. This time it's 2, so there are 45 cars. Maybe you want to get 47. And you just keep doing that. You click continue again and just wait. Eventually it'll put in 47.
Drivers,
kind of
to your cars.
1, 2, yeah, it's 2 again. Let's try it this time. Third time's a charm here.
Drivers, to your cars.
That only did 1. If you do it enough times, you'll eventually get 47. We'll try it one more time. It takes a few tries to get it.
Drivers, to your cars.
2. Sorry, we'll just use it with 2. Now this is the step that the other one leaves out, because if you just accelerate through the qualifying here, it still leaves these as blank. See, there's no time at the bottom. And so if you click continue and you go into the race here,
drivers, to your car,
and you go to the back of the field here, it's still missing the 40 and the 55, even though they're technically on the entry list. Somebody's on pit road there, but there, see how the 40 and the 55, even though they're on the entry list, they don't come up. So what you want to do is you want to save this. Results from qualifying have been saved, and back out again. And then click continue, click resume race, yes. And then reset the qualifying. And now, when you accelerate through the qualifying,
Driver.
now all 44 or 45 drivers, I guess it's 44, have times. And that means that when, yeah, it is 45 because I didn't count myself. But yeah, see, all 44 cars have times now. And so if you go into the race here, and you go to the last car, Michael Waltrip, he is in the field there. He's there, Warburton's there. I would be, my AI car would be back there. Oh, we've got an issue here on the start of the race. But that's how you do it. There's that missing step there where you save it and then you reset the qualifying. And that was giving me some issues there. So I wanted to make this tutorial to show how to do it correctly. And that should work. So let me know in the comments if this was helpful, and let me know if you want to see a tutorial on how to do something else. Please let me know and I will make one. I'm trying to make more of these tutorials, and I kind of just need some ideas on what type of stuff I should be doing tutorials on. So let me know if you have any ideas, things that you want to see, and I will do my best to make videos on them.